Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to use SketchUp on your phone, especially on a Samsung Fold 7. In this case I'm going to use this portable mouse and this portable keyboard. It can work with anything you use, so in this case I'm going to go to SketchUp web, so then the app is going to load. And you create a new, and here you have all your commands working, so you can use everything that you need. In this case I'm going to just a proof of concept. I can write here, I can delete as well. Yeah, and basically you have access to all your commands and everything, so this is a good way to be able to use your drawings on the go. Thank you very much.